Hey guys, what's up? Sam here, back with another video. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a unboxing as well as another little addition to my setup, trying to make things a little bit better, a little more streamlined, just to, get a little bit more flavor in these videos. So basically what I'm trying to say is I'm going to be building an overhead rig, all right? I've been watching a lot of videos on YouTube about this for like months and years now, and I always like the idea. I like to watch the DIYs and like the ones that you can just buy. I did look into those C-stands and they were really big, and I just don't have enough space where I am currently for something like that. So after that, I was thinking, all right, I could just have two light stands, get a piece of PVC pipe, run it over it, and hang it down, right? But then I was thinking, I kind of want to have a backdrop for some of my videos. So I was like, let me just do a two-in-one where I have a backdrop for backdrop purposes, and then when I want to have the overhead, I just bring it forward and do the overhead thing, all right? So pretty much that's what I'm going to be doing. Hopefully it works. And yeah, I'll be bringing you guys along with me, the whole setup and stuff like that. So fingers crossed, let's hope this thing works the how I had envisioned it, all right? Now this overhead rig is gonna be comprised of about 3 pieces. The main one being the backdrop, and then I have this little articulating arm that I'm gonna attach to it using a Manfrotto super clamp. So that's pretty much it. The clamp, the arm, and the backdrop, and then of course the camera. So let's go ahead and unbox all these things and try to set it up, all right? All right, so let's go ahead and unbox this backdrop system, all right? I didn't bring my knife. That's smart. Now, as usual, guys, I'll put links for this in the description box down below. Seems pretty basic. Ooh, correct. All right, so it's 3 pieces. I guess the legs and the bar. All right. And it comes with a pouch. Comes with a carrying bag, so that's awesome. What is this? Does it even come with, oh. Also guys, another reason why I opted for this backdrop above the others is because it pretty much came with everything, including sandbags, all right? So here we have 2 sandbags to kind of hold down the backdrop. So let's say you have a really heavy camera up there with a heavy lens, you can just add some weight to these sandbags and just, steady it on the ground. So that's really cool. And manual, and also guys, it comes with a few clamps, so pretty awesome. You get everything in the box basically, and yeah, that's it. All right, so these 3 clamps, the sandbag, and this, I guess this is the bar, and these would be the legs. All right, so let's go ahead, set these stands up. Alright guys, so this is kind of it right here. This is so dope, alright? So dope, guys. Now this, I need to adjust it some more so that this is not in frame. This needs to go a little bit higher, which it can, alright? Now, all you need to do is just extend that right here, and then this, alright? So that's it, oops, and that's it going across there. Don't worry about the mess, guys. But yeah, so I can just set up the light, like right here, like wherever I am beside my main camera, which is going to be this one here. So I was kind of worried that maybe this was going to be too heavy. This was my first camera, this is a Nikon. I was thinking it's going to be too heavy, but it seems pretty stable right here. So I'm going to have this as B-roll, or the secondary camera, the overhead camera, and this is my G7 right here, if it just focuses with the Rode. So this is going to be my setup, and the lights should be pretty good. And yeah, like, this is it. As I said before, I'm just gonna raise it a little bit more to get it out of the frame. Just shift this over some more, or I could put the camera over somewhere. I didn't want to put it in the joint because I was a bit iffy about that. So I'm just gonna shift it over some more, or whatever, shift this over some more to get it dead center in the middle. So when I'm doing like little stuff, I have this. So yeah, this is super dope. I'm so pumped. I'm so excited right now. I'm like buzzing. Like I did it, I envisioned it, I got it done, and I did it by myself. So like I'm so pumped right now. And I can adjust the focus, and because I have the flip out screen, I can see what I'm doing. So I can be like, oh yeah, so this is pretty good. I'm like, come up, change the focus, and I have, oh, and because this is a 1.8 aperture, it's a fixed lens, so I have the nice little bokeh going on, right? So let me just do a quick demonstration. All right, so I'm gonna record. All right, this is me recording. All right, so this, I'm gonna just focus in it right real quick. All right, now this remote, it has 4 channels, and you see right here, it has the little bokeh. It's like a little blurred out, right? And I can just really position it and then get back to the up down dial, and this right here, and I can go real close and then just like lock that focus real safe. Now you really gonna need the sandbags for this, guys, because it will like jiggle and wiggle. So you're gonna definitely need the sandbags to kind of hold it steady. But yeah, this, I can get like really close. Look at that. Ooh wee. Alright guys, so it worked. That was it. So yeah guys, this is it right here. This is my overhead rig that I kind of concocted in my head, and I'm pretty proud of it. It does work. It's sturdy. It's really cool. I like that, you know, I did it all by myself, and I do like the fact that it's a 2-in-1. So I can do it like just like this as an overhead rig, and if I want, I can just throw the backdrop on it, put it behind me, and get some pretty cool stuff. So I'm going to show you guys in another video where I set up the green screen and how I try to work it. I've never done it before, but I'm gonna do it, and you're gonna come along for the ride. All right, so yeah guys, I do hope you guys like this video. If you do have any tips for me to make this even better, definitely let me know in the comment sections down below. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is DaKoin, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Z.